What's going on, YouTube land? Hi to everyone out there. I just wanted to talk very briefly to you about the sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it in your Mini Coupe. A lot of times people have problems with the sunroof not opening all the way or not closing all the way. It's getting stuck. That's what happened to me. It got stuck open. I couldn't close it, and when I tried to close it, it was making this clanky, clank, clank, clank sound. So I called all over the place to try to get it repaired or get it fixed any kind of way I could, and I couldn't find any reliable people that I would trust with this vehicle. So I ended up going to the dealer, and they were going to charge $1,500 just to replace the broken cable that was on it. So here's what I did. I decided, hey, you know what? I don't have to open this bad boy ever again. So it cost me about $200 just for them to close it. So be mindful about your moonroof. If you don't have to open it, don't open it. You know, just roll down your windows if you need some ventilation. Other than that, though, the cool part about this particular sunroof in the Mini is that it does come with a little sunshade. So that keeps the sun from beating down on you as well. And I also have this little thing here. I also have this little thing that I kind of put up there as well. But I'm not going to put that up there right now. But you want to see the sky? There's the sky for you. If you need some air, let down the windows. Don't mess around with those moonroof windows. I'm telling you, unless you got buckets and buckets of money, keep them closed. All right, YouTube, you guys be safe out there. Peace.